Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get a Qwen 2.5 Max API key from their website. If you're a developer looking to integrate these models into your projects, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, go to Open Router, where you can find API keys for various AI models. Once you're on Open Router, type Qwen in the search bar and select Qwen Max from the search results. On the next page, go to the API tab and click on Create API Key or a similar button. Click the Create Key button at the top and provide the necessary details for your API key. Once generated, your API key will be displayed on the screen. Copy and save it securely, as you won't be able to view it again after leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully obtained your Qwen 2.5 Max API key. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.